Zeroing in. Unlock the meaning of this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel, where we dive into interesting phrases and idioms to help you understand and use them like a native speaker. Today, we're zeroing in on a phrase that you might have heard in movies, conversations, or meetings: zeroing in. Let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily English. Zeroing in is a phrase that comes from the concept of adjusting the aim of a weapon, like a rifle, to be exactly on target. When someone says they are zeroing in on something, it means they are focusing very closely on a particular issue, task, or goal. They are trying to be precise and give it their full attention, just like a marksman would with a target. To get a better sense of how zeroing in is used, let's look at some examples. The detective is zeroing in on the suspect who left fingerprints at the scene. Our team is zeroing in on the problem to find a solution by the end of the day. As the deadline approaches, she is zeroing in on the final details of her project. In each of these sentences, the phrase zeroing in is used to convey intense concentration and attention to a specific aspect. You can use zeroing in formal and informal contexts. It is often used when someone wants to describe a process of becoming more focused and detailed about something. This phrase is commonly found in business settings, investigative contexts, or anytime someone is narrowing down options or focusing efforts on a particular point. If you're looking for other ways to express the same idea, here are some synonyms: honing in, focusing on, concentrating on, narrowing down, pinpointing. Each of these can be used in a similar way to zeroing in, although the nuances of each might differ slightly based on context. Let's put what we've learned into practice. Try to create your own sentences using zeroing in. Share them in the comments, and we'll provide feedback on your usage. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of zeroing in. Remember, learning a language is about practice, so try to use this phrase in your conversations or writing to become more familiar with it. Until next time, keep zeroing in on your English learning goals, and we're sure you'll hit the mark. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning!